Warning: this video contains flashing images and lights that may affect photosensitive viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Before we begin, a quick warning. This video contains flashing lights and rapidly changing images that may not be suitable for all viewers. If you are sensitive to such content, please take the necessary precautions or skip ahead. Now, let's dive into the mysteries of the internet. The internet is vast and filled with mysteries that even experts can't fully explain. Here are 10 of the strangest internet mysteries ever uncovered. Fact 1. In 2012, a cryptic online puzzle called Cicada 3301 appeared, claiming to seek the world's smartest people. To this day, no one knows who created it or why. Fact 2. In 1996, Usenet groups were spammed with bizarre, meaningless phrases. They were called the Markovian Parallax Denigrate posts, and their true purpose remains a mystery. Fact 3. A YouTube channel named Webdriver Torso uploaded over 77,000 random videos of colored shapes with tones. For years, no one knew why, until Google admitted it was a test account for video quality. Fact 4. The Reddit account A858 posted nothing but long strings of numbers. After years of speculation about secret codes or alien contact, the account vanished without explanation. Fact 5. A mysterious game called Sad Satan surfaced on the deep web. Players reported disturbing imagery, strange messages, and even malware hidden inside. No one knows who made it. Fact 6. In 1987, a hacker hijacked 2 Chicago TV stations, interrupting live broadcasts with a man in a Max Headroom mask. The culprit was never found. Fact 7. Some internet-born myths, like Slender Man, have blurred the line between fiction and reality, leading to real-world crimes inspired by a creature that never existed. Fact 8. According to urban legend, an arcade game named Polybius appeared in the 1980s. Players reported hallucinations and memory loss. Some say it was a government mind control test, but no cabinets have ever been found. Fact 9. In 2019, a vlogger named Sophie posted cheerful lifestyle videos that quickly descended into disturbing glitches and horror. It was later revealed as an art project, but for months, viewers thought it was real. Fact 10. Beyond the surface web and deep web, rumors speak of Mariana's web, a hidden layer of the internet said to contain the world's darkest secrets. No proof exists, but the legend continues to haunt digital explorers. From coded puzzles to creepy games, the internet hides more than we'll ever know. Which mystery fascinated you the most? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more from the Random Fact Factory.